Hi guys, it's been a while since I made my last video. So today I would like to share with you the Docker technology. I will be doing this in 5 parts, and this is going to be an introductory video on what I will be sharing with you in the coming days. So in the first part, I'll be discussing about what Docker is and what is the need for Docker and what are the major differences between Docker versus virtual machine. With this basics, we'll move on to the second part. Uh, this is a dive in the Docker architecture. For example, the major component in Docker technology is the Docker engine, and we'll be seeing how this is built up, and then I'll give you a basic workflow or how the Docker architecture looks like. And with this in mind, we move on to the part 3 of this tutorial series. And in the part 3, we'll be taking another deep dive into the Docker components such as image, container, network, and Dockerfile. And in this part, I'll also be showing you how to handle the data in the Docker world. And until now, we have seen the theory part. In part 4, it's really about hands-on. So we'll be seeing the basic commands used in Docker, how to load and build an image, load an image from a repository, push an image into the repository, how to start a container, how to execute a container, meaning how to access the bash within the container, and so on. And the final part is going to be a quick start for Docker. In this part, I'll be showing you this getting started app, which is available from the Docker getting started image. I'll be going through the important commands which we would be discussing in the part 4, and we'll also take a quick look into the part 3 during the quick start. So hope I made you guys so I'm looking forward to preparing this tutorial and sharing with you guys the knowledge which I have. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.